Okay. Hey bro, you speak in English? Where are we going?
Grand Paicos, Kinapawan.
Where's Grand Paicos? Point Grand Paicos.
Grand Paicos Plaza Hotel Restaurant.
Where?
Here.
Over there.
Yes, over
Wow.
there.
Wow, what are we gonna do there?
We visit our mission in Guard Prison.
We're going to Grand Paicos. We're taking a break. We've been to Oval and it was very successful.
Yes.
God bless us.
United
much.
States.
And now we're from Las Vegas and now we're going to Grand Paicos. Right, bro?
Yes. Nakaupo na ko.
What was that? That was Mexican language.
Nakahabo ko.
Here we go. There. So this is Grand Paicos and what are we about to do?
So, ligo, swimming pool.
Where's the swimming pool?
In the outer space.
In the outer space. Okay, you post there. There. Okay, so we are in Grand Paicos.
Here, I'm here.
Okay. Let's see that. There. Okay, you pause again. Pause.
Can you see that?
Pause again. Okay. I will pause. I will also pause. Go there.
Push.
I will also pause.
Yes. That's my bro. Pushing man.
What pussy? We are all the anointed worshippers. What pussy? So this is Grand Paicos, my friends.
That's my friend.
And we're going inside.
Inside or out?
And we are going inside. And this is Shirley. Say hi, Shirley.
Hi, Hector.
And this is Angelica. Angelica, say hi.
Lolo.
Those are my good friends. And that is Isa Di Calzada. That one. Okay. That's my bro over there. Ready to take a bath. Cause not yet a bath. And you retouch the room. Why?